Elizabethton Bonanza 608 Foxtrot rolling. Takeoff 24 westbound departure, Elizabethton. Airspeed's alive. Rotate.
Elizabethton traffic, Bonanza 9139, Quebec, crossing midfield, runway 24. Elizabeth.
No 15382 or 832 Tri-City approach, Tri-City altimeters 3024. You can expect a visual approach to runway 23.
Tri-City's approach, Bonanza 6008 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 6008 Foxtrot, Tri-City approach, squawk 3140, maintain VFR.
3140 and VFR 08 Fox.
Number 6008 Foxtrot, your radar contact 3 miles west of Elizabethton. I'll show you at 3000, Tri-City altimeters 3024.
3024.
Number 08 Foxtrot, you looking to pick up your IFR to Tango Oscar India?
Yes, sir.
What's going to be your approximate on-course setting?
Approximate's going to be 223.
In November 08 Foxtrot, can you maintain your own terrain obstruction clearance through 5,100?
Yes, sir.
November 08 Foxtrot, roger, you're cleared to the Tango Oscar India Airport as follows. Climb maintain 1010,000.
I maintain 1010,000, cleared on course 08 Fox.
November 1 Delta Tango, flighting 050.
050, 1 Delta Tango.
Tango, we have the field in sight. We can go ahead and cancel IFR.
39 Tango, roger, IFR cancellation received, squawk maintain VFR. Frequency change for you. Have a nice day.
Thanks, on VFR now. Have a good day. 39 Tango.
November 15832, descend and maintain 7,000. Number 1 Delta Tango, is this going to be a full stop on this one?
Affirmative for 61 Delta Tango. We're done.
Roger. November 52 Lima flighting 040.
04061 Delta Tango.
1 Delta Tango negative, that wasn't for you.
Sorry.
Vision Jet 85 Alpha Hotel, Tri-City departure radar contact. Continue runway heading, maintain 8000. November 85 Charlie, did you check in? November 9585 Charlie, Tri-City.
November 52 Lima, turn 10 degrees left. November 1 Delta Tango, turn left heading 320. Left 320, 1 Delta Tango. November 5 Alpha Hotel, turn right on course McGee Tyson. Cherokee 832, roger, thank you. November 9585 Charlie, Tri-Cities approach. Tri-Cities approach, November 9585 Charlie with you at 10,500. November 1 Delta Tango, 7 miles from Maka, turn left heading 260, maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 23 approach. Left turn 260, maintain 4,000 until established, cleared for the ILS runway 23 approach for 61 Delta Tango. November 9585 Charlie, Tri-Cities approach, good afternoon, the Tri-Cities altimeter 3024. 3024, 9585 Charlie, thank you. Calling with the request, say again. November 5 Alpha Hotel, maintain block 8,000 through 9,000 for traffic. November 52 Lima, turn right heading 140. November 832, descend and maintain 5,000. November 77 Kilo Papa, Tri-Cities approach, you with me?
Affirmative, 8,000.
November 7 Kilo Papa, roger, thank you. Tri-Cities altimeter 3024.
3024, 7 Kilo Papa.
November 52 Lima, verify you're on a 140 heading, 140.